Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at what to do if you have accidentally called emergency SOS 911. So there are three different ways how you can call emergency SOS on your device. One way is by pressing on the side button here 5 times rapidly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that will call the emergency SOS. Another way to do it is by pressing on the side button and the volume button. So press and hold, and again this will allow your phone to make the emergency call. And another way to do it is by simply sliding this across to make the emergency call. So those are the three different ways how you can raise the emergency call. Now if you have accidentally already make the emergency call, so let's say if you have accidentally or someone have accidentally make the emergency call by pressing the side button 5 times, and you can see in here, if you still in the countdown process, you can quickly tap on the stop button. This will give you 3 seconds countdown, and if you have already missed the countdown and the call has been already established, do not hang up, do not stop the call. Simply just speak to the operator and tell them that you have accidentally make the call and that you are safe. You can simply just cancel the call. There is nothing wrong with telling the operator that you have make the call by accident. So just tell them that and everything should be okay. If you hang up the call, if you're scared, if you panic and you hang up the call, what happens is that the operator or your local emergency department may think something is wrong, and they might still send someone out as a precaution just to make sure that you are okay. So it's always best just to make sure that you go ahead with the call and tell them that it's just simply an accident and that you are safe. So make sure you do that. Now a lot of the people basically trying to reset their phone when their phone having issues. They try to reset the phone by pressing the side button and the volume down button to reset the phone, and when they do that, it simply just make the emergency call instead of resetting the phone. And if you do need to reset your phone, just check the instruction to reset your phone correctly. If you update or if you upgrade your iPhone to iPhone 8 or a newer model, then the proper way to soft reset your iPhone is not by pressing and hold onto the side button and the volume button, but simply press on the button once and let go and press on the side button. Now this will depend on which model of the iPhone that you have. There will be different instruction on how you can reset your iPhone. But yeah, basically that's what happened when you accidentally press on the buttons to make the emergency call to your 911 department. Just simply tell them that's an accident. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.